Hi, Beanbeauties, Dee Bean here. How you doing today? Welcome back to MISCmas. Yes. Well, today is confession day. Yes, found another bag that's been in my possession since December of 2024. I know so far December of 2024 is the longest that we have found, but there's no telling in this series. Really, there isn't. If you're interested in seeing the unboxing of this bag, come on back. We'll have the unboxing of this bag and we'll have some advent calendars and y'all can just laugh at me, okay? We'll see you in a bit. Oh, yes, in here, in this box, my notes say December 19th, 2024 is when this box was either shipped to me or either I received it or all of the above. I don't know. So let's get going on this box. Actually, we can't do the box. Let's do our brooch of the day. Let's see if I have anything to match my shirt. Probably not. I'm down to the bare bones. All right, today's brooch of the day is another Christmas tree. This is a much tinier one. This is a brass. It has lots of little rhinestones and things in it. And she's a tiny one, but since I have Christmas trees on here, I thought it would match. Let's see if I can get it on here straight. Don't hold your breath. Take bets. Ah, there. That's a little bit better than the last Christmas tree. Okay. All right, so let's get into it. There's this right here I purchased a year ago. I know. Now, the trick too is going to find that not only is this a year ago, this was a pretty penny on this bag. And I guess we're going to find out if I'm still in love with this bag, if I still like this bag. I purchased from this seller before. This is the seller I got my Coach robes from. Oops. She had this cute bag, and she had it for a long time, and I decided I wanted to pick it up, and it took me a little while to pay for it, and then I don't know what happened. No excuses. She got lost. I found her. She got lost again. I found her. She got lost again. So let's see if I still like her. I don't even know if I still like her. Ready? Ta-da! She's backwards. It's backwards. Double surprise. Ready? She's a beautiful color. Ta-da! She is a Ralph Lauren Ricky, and she's lizard. She's a lizard bag. Look at that. Oh, she is pretty. But you know, this is when I was more into my small bags. And how, I don't know. God, she is beautiful though. So here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. Here are the top. The handles down. And so let's get in. You push the button down and this comes up. So this is a fussy bag because you do have these that are closed. That you work on the straps. You have to take the straps off. Okay. And the key is in here for the key clochette for the lock. And then it is the doctor bag style. Ta-da. Okay, that's what she looks like inside. She's leather, got this beautiful, beautiful like maroon leather, red maroonish leather. She has this luggage tag, and then this is to hold the handles together. She does have a back zipper back here. I can hardly get my hand in there. There's a back zipper back there. And then she has a front slit pocket here, right there. And the leather feels very nice. Very, very nice. And I thought, yes, she does. Okay. So with these bags come the documentation, because it's an exotic bag. And y'all, okay, so here is the documentation for the Ralph Lauren exotic bag. Has a card number and all the information in here. And then this is the price that originally she was. I didn't pay that. I didn't pay that at all. So originally it was $3,500. It got marked down to $1,750. I don't know what the seller got it up for, but and she's been in this box for a year. I know. This is definitely not a travel bag out of the country, because then you have trouble getting it back in. This is actually I bought this when I bought another exotic, I think a Ralph Lauren bag as well too. And that one also has a documentation. And so then I wanted this bag too. I don't know what's wrong with me. The color is gorgeous. She's beautiful. She's in really good shape. Really, really good shape. So she has Ralph Lauren right there on the hardware. The hardware is in excellent condition. Excellent condition. Then it has, on the side right there, it has RLL, as well as on this other side. On the clochette right there, it says RLL. So definitely a lot of branding, just subtle branding. It has it here on the buckle as well too, the hardware there. So very well done. It's a beautiful, gorgeous bag. It's a gorgeous bag. Yeah, so I'm just not sure if I'm still into Ralph Lauren, if I'm still into the Rickies. This is a barrel satchel Ricky, a satchel Ricky. I'm just not quite sure if I'm there or not with that anymore. I'll have to think about it for a little while. I was excited to get her out, but you know, it's just kind of one of those things where she's been out of sight, out of mind for a while. Does the heart grow fonder? I don't know. This will have to be determined. It'll have to be determined. I don't know. I gotta see if she's just tiny. She's just tiny. I'm just, because I'm doing better now, so it's hard for me to pare back down. I can. It's just I don't have very many activities anymore that I can use a small bag. My lifestyle has kind of changed a little bit in the past 3 years, so it's a little difficult to use smaller bags. It's like maybe just a little bit bigger. I have used my mini, so my mini Rowan. So I have to make sure and use it on that kind of a day when I just need a very minimal stuff. So she can find a place in my collection. She's a beautiful bag. Okay, let's head over to the advent calendars. And what does miscellaneous do? What do we open for miscellaneous? We'll find out when we get there. Hold on a second. Welcome back to our advent time. We are going to be doing our Build-A-Bear. It feels like a while that I've opened these. We are on day 3 with the Build-A-Bear right here. And let's see what goodies we get. Our bear's got pants. Our bear has pants. Okay, so let's put some pants on our bear. Let's see if I can do it. These are for tiny fingers. Well, you know, they're made for kids. Kids' fingers are smaller. Okay, so I got the pants on, and they're little short pants. And so now he has a top and some shorts. There we go. He's in his home. All righty, babies. Thanks so much for coming by. We'll see you on the next series, either Coachmas, Stuckmas, MISCellaneousmas, in this crazy series that I'm doing of Christmas chaos, Chaosmas, whatever we are calling it. And let's see, am I going to make it to the end, or are all the boxes are going to fall on top of me? We don't know. Love y'all, Bean Beauties. Bye-bye.